Hello everyone, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Instability and graphical issues in SolidWorks can be caused by some factors. They can be related to the hardware itself, the graphic card drivers, a corrupted installation, or the prerequisites. In this video, we will explain you how to download the right version of the graphic card drivers for SolidWorks. SolidWorks relies on the graphic card to run effectively. That's why it's so important to have a SolidWorks certified card along with the SolidWorks certified driver. The first thing we have to know is the model and the make of your graphic card. If we open up the SolidWorks RX tool, we can check the graphic cards that we have and also the current drivers. Now we have to go to the SolidWorks graphic card drivers website. You will find this link on the description of this video. Now all we have to do is select the right information. Let's start with the computer vendor. In this case is Box. The driver status we're going to leave it as certified. And then we can choose the computer model from the drop down menu. And the graphic card as well. In this case it's a NVIDIA Quadro K2500M. Lastly, we have to check the SolidWorks version that we're going to run and our operating system. Now we click show results and then we will see our certified graphic card drivers. If we click on notes, we will see the full version of the drivers and then we can compare from the current driver version on the SolidWorks RX. Lastly, we can click on the drivers version to start downloading the files. That's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. We will see you in the next one.